Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account in Ghana and also in other countries where there is no PayPal as well. First, head over to your browser and type in paypal.com/ls. Now you'll be taken to this page where you need to sign up. Now click here to sign up. Click on business. Now click on all solutions. Click get started. Now you have to enter your Gmail account which you want to use. So let me and click continue. Now you need to choose a password. Sorry, I have to cover this page because it's my personal thing. Now click continue. Enter your first name, your last name, your business name, and also your number. So calm down. First name. My name is Robert, so I'll enter Robert. And surname, business name. So let's take YouTube because I'm doing this for YouTube. Then change the number here to a Ghana number. Let's now Ghana. Let's look for Ghana. Okay, here it is. Then enter your mobile phone number. Enter your address where you are. So I'm in Sogakope city, town or village. I'm going to use Ho for my city, and then state or region. I'll use Volta region because Sogakope is in the Volta region of Ghana. Postal code for Ghana is 00233. Enter that. Let the currency be in US dollar. Then click agree. Then click on agree and continue. After doing all that, you'll be taken to this page to describe your business. So choose your business type. It's an individual business, or if it's a partnership business, choose that one also, or non-profit, choose individual. Then product or services. I'm going to use social media. If you have a website, enter your website right here. But for now, I'm not doing that one. So click on continue. Your date of birth. I was born on the 16th of November 2003. As you can see, I'm not grown. Nationality. So let's choose, I'm a Ghanaian, so I'm going in for Ghana. Then identity document. Choose national ID, or if you have a passport, you can use your passport as well. So national ID. Now your ID number. So I'm going to enter my ID number right here. Okay, then first of all you have GH hyphen over here. Then click on submit. And we are done. we are done creating our PayPal account. So this is the way to create a PayPal account in Ghana. But first you can either choose to link your bank card or any credit card you have available with you at the moment. So but for now I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is to confirm my Gmail. So let's head back. I'll go to Gmail and then so now we are going to confirm our Gmail account. So let's head over to Gmail and then confirm our account. Gmail. Okay, actually PayPal sent us a message, not this. We'll go back. But this. So click on this one. Now let's wait for it to load. Okay, Gmail isn't responding. Wait. Let's click on confirm your email. Enter your password. And now our PayPal has been successfully created. Now we can receive funds through our PayPal accounts. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content such as this one. Thank you.